Multi-crew concept. Crew resource management training is intended to develop effectiveness of crew performance by improving attitudes towards flight safety and human relationship management. Safety is often improved by applying the principle of CRM, expression of one's doubt or different opinion for as long as this doubt cannot be rejected on the basis of evidence. The quality of crew performance depends on the social competence of individual team members. The effectiveness of the individual depends on the ability to balance the dictates of the individual's needs and the demands of reality. Standard operating procedures. It is desirable to standardize as many patterns of behavior, operational procedures, as possible in commercial aviation, mainly because such behavior reduces errors even when under adverse circumstances. The development of procedures makes pilots more effective and more reliable in their actions. This is called procedural consistency. Action plans, SOPs, in a cockpit must be shared by the members of the crew and updated at each modification in order to maintain maximum synergy. Crew briefings. The purpose of action plans which are implemented during briefings is to initiate procedures and reactions for situations that are most likely, risky, or difficult during flight. Communication qualities of a good briefing. Be of a standard type so that it can be reused for another flight. Be short and precise. Be understandable to the other crew members. During a crew briefing in the pre-flight phase, the captain should emphasize particular requirements in the field of crew coordination due to specific circumstances. Checklists. Using a checklist prior is a contribution to safety, because the concentration on the checklist items will draw the pilot's attention to flight-related tasks, reducing distraction from personal stress. The execution of checklists must not be done simultaneously with other actions. Checklist design. The longer the checklist, the more it must be subdivided into logical parts. A panel scan sequence should be applied. Critical points should have redundancies. The most important items should be placed at the beginning since attention is usually focused there. The relevance of check procedures during flight becomes even more important when flying an unfamiliar type of aircraft and experiencing mental pressure. Cooperation. Co-action is a mode of coordination which recommends working parallel to achieve one common objective. Coordinated cooperation allows for synergy in the actions between the captain and the co-pilot. Communication in this mode has the function of synchronizing actions and distributing responsibilities. Advantages of coordination: redundancy, synergy, and clarification of responsibilities. Cooperation is optimized by sharing and undertaking a common task, confidence in each other's capability, and precise definition of functions associated with each crew member's role. Role defines, via behavior, the functions that must be performed by individuals. Status defines the enjoyment of a hierarchical position and its recognition by the group. Informal roles within a crew evolve as a result of the interactions that take place among crew members. The team spirit of a cockpit crew most likely depends on both pilots respecting each other and striving for the same goals. Synergy. Coordinated action of all members towards a common objective, in which collective performance is proven to be more than the sum of the individual performances. Synergy must be built up from the start of the mission, briefing, and be maintained until it comes to an end, debriefing.